So today we get the pleasure of driving and test driving a 1953 Oldsmobile 98 Holiday Coupe. This beautiful two-door coupe comes to us very well optioned, as you know, the Oldsmobile line was kind of more luxurious line for GM. This great 98 is powered by what appears to be the original 304 rocket V8, backed by the 4-speed Hydramatic automatic. Very well optioned with power steering. As you can see in the steering wheel, it still has the original steering wheel. That great Oldsmobile horn ring, power brakes, AM radio with the rear speaker, and both speakers do work, and the switch for the speakers still works. In-dash clock, which is inoperable. All the gauges are functioning. Lower motor works. Even the indicator light for the parking brake still functions, and when you start the car, the light flashes to warn you that the parking brake is still on. It's power seats, which is inoperable, but it does have factory power seats, factory power windows, and maybe here in a minute when we slow down, it's a little chilly out today, we'll show you these power windows. They actually function very well, which is a very nice feature on this Oldsmobile. So the exterior finished in black. It's an older repaint that still shows very well. There are a couple little paint flaws and maybe some touch-ups, but very nice black exterior paint. The chrome and stainless on this car is in very good condition. It is starting to show a little bit of wear and age, but appears to be all original. This is a very original 1953 Oldsmobile. But the stainless and the chrome, very dent-free, very straight, with very few flaws, but it is starting to show some age. But the interior, the original interior, is in good to very good condition. There are some spots like on the dash that are starting to show a little bit of age and maybe a little bit of paint loss, but the steering wheel has no cracks. It's in excellent condition. Door panels are in very good condition. Even the upholstery on the seat, which has been well preserved by the